Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can give access to your Facebook page. So if you want to add other people to your Facebook page, what you need to do is first make sure you're in the Facebook page account. Come into facebook.com and make sure you're on your Facebook page account. So I'm inside my Facebook page. So what I need to do after I'm inside my Facebook page is I need to click on my profile picture of my Facebook page at the top right and click on where it says settings and privacy. From here, I need to click on where it says settings. And from inside settings, what I need to do is go on where it says new page experience. And from inside new page experience, I need to be on page access, the first section. From over here, what I need to do is click on people with Facebook access. So I need to click on add new, and over here I need to click on next. It basically means I agree to their terms and service. Now over here I need to search the person using their email or their Facebook name. So I'm just going to search for my friend using his name. So this is the person I want to give access to for my page. I need to click on his name, and basically it's asking me if I want to give him full access or not. So if I want this person to have full access of this page, I need to turn this on and click on give access. But if I don't want to, I need to turn it off, and he can just do like normal things like upload photos, delete photos, and read messages like that. I can click on give access and enter the password of my Facebook. After I do that and click on confirm, a Facebook page access request will be sent to the person. And if the person accepts the request, then he will be added and he will have access to my Facebook page. So that is how you guys can give access to other people of your Facebook page. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.